Everyone, this is Kipo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will make a reaction video to Dawn Bell compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ano ang mga bago sa Dawn Bell? Parang araw-araw tayo may Dawn Bell. Busy din ako, dear. Sa totoo lang, busy talaga ako ngayon. Lalo promote tayo sa May 26, tama ba ako? Dawn Bell movie tayo sa wakas for today's video. So yeah, panoorin natin to. Sige nga.
For Dumble again.
Ay, Dawn Bell. Kala mo. May bago pala silang interview. Ay, ano to? Wait lang, ano to? Wait lang, this was from Belinda birthday last year, pointing at Belinda. Ay yes, napanood ko to. Yung DJ siya. Kulang na lang, halika na lang ni Donnie yung liig ni Bell. Go Donnie, sa'yo lahat yan. Atake, push. Walang o kontra. Edmond, mamatay ka sa inggit. Hindi mo maaamoy ang lieg ni Donnie. Chares! Edmond, ano na? Kaya ba today? Chares! Ay, they're the sweetest. Saan to? Bagong edits to They're the sweetest. Totoo naman sweet naman talaga sila. They're the sweetest for today's video. Saan dalahin? Ang ibigin mo ay sila naman talaga ang nag-iibigan. Kaya go. Diba? Sila naman talaga Ay, oh my God. Road. Ay, nasa Bulacan sila ngayon? Bulacan, mag-ingay! Ganun. Wala, nasa Bulacan sila. Ano na naman kayo? Magpapatalo ba ang taga Bulacan? Siyempre, my God, ang dami ng tao. I love it. Wala, ang daming tao. Ang daming tao. Ay, ano to, Belle? Belle, ano to? You know you can. We're just playing games because I'm the game master, ladies and gentlemen.
We're just playing games because I'm the game master,
Ay,
ladies and gentlemen.
ladies and gentlemen. Tsaka tabi-tabi talaga kayo. Tabi talaga kayo for today's video. Ay, matcha. Matcha sila. Ano to? Anyway, I just saw Donnie fucking pangili. Literally, what I was saying. Hadali na sabi niya. Okay. Ayan yung car niya. Okay. Ay, wait lang, Dawn Bell. Please take photo on my Instax and Digicam. Ay, ayan na. Sama kayo. Ayan, Digicam. Digicam pa. May Digicam po. Ay, cutie.
Dito po tayo ngayon sa pupuntang night market. Ayan, tapos titignan po natin yung mga binibenta dito. So maghanap tayo ngayon ng...
Bakit
Try
naiiyak?
natin maghanap ng dessert.
Bigla nagsinkin na lang sa akin na paano pagkatapos nito? Paano pagkatapos nito wala na? I mean, hindi na natin sila makikita. Ganun ba yun? May asap pa naman, di ba? It's okay. Wala mang Dawn Bell sa big screen for now. Or after nitong tayo sa wakas is may Donnie and Belle naman sa likod ng camera. Sa real life. Oh my God, excited na ba ang lahat na makikita ng kiss ng lips to lips si Donnie and Belle? Ayokong umiyak. Ayokong umiyak talaga, I swear. Huwag talaga tayong umiyak for today's video. Alagang-alaga din talaga ni Donnie si Belle. Happy talaga sila Super happy talaga sila, oh. Tingnan mo naman, si Donnie parang baby. Parang alam mo yung wala siyang nakikitang iba and wala siyang pakialam sa makakita sa kanila. Basta happy siya for today's video. You know what I mean? Diba? Ay. The 1,000 miles if I just can't see you. Oh. Ay. Ay. Ay, napanood ko na to kahapon. Ay, ito. Ay, ayan. Never pa talaga?
Hindi naman parang feel ko mangyayari lang yan pag ready.
Ay, taray. Ayan yung girlfriend. Charis. Napaka-genuine ni ano, no? Napaka-genuine ni Donnie. Tsaka full of substance. No? Ay, ano to? Ay. Ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Binilhan niya ng ano, baluhin. I love it. Kailan kaya ito ilalabas ni Vice? Feeling ko next week na to. No? Ikot ka. Gwapo ni Donnie. Anyways. Ay. Decides Carrie Bell. This time I love you. Naiyak naman na ako. My arms again. In my arms again. I love you much better if ever you're in my arms again. Ay! Ay, okay, napanood natin ko kapon. Yung...
I've seen Belle grow. But I can really see that she wants to be in this industry and she wants to prove herself. You know, I just can't wait to see her conquer the universe.
Wow.
The craziest thing is you're just getting started and you have such a long, exciting journey to go, and I can't wait to see more of what you can do. Really fight for her and fight for her dreams, fight for her wants, fight to support her and be there every step of the way for her. Ayun, alam naman niya na I'm here to support her and believe in her kasi kaya pa niya.
Kaya pa. Kaya pa, ma'am. Ay, kaya mo yan. Kaya ninyong dalawa yan. Charas! Anyways, that is our for today's video from Don Bell. This is Kikipo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Napaiyak na naman ako ng Don Bell. Ano ba yan?